Hi friends, welcome back and welcome to Living on the Edge. This is a morning to me, so good morning to you all. I want to invite you this time for a very quick tour about, once again, the beautiful Celebrity Apex. I'm back on the ship. My last time was in November and here I am right now, back to this beauty. This time I'm staying in what basically is the most common accommodation type on the ship, and this is the infinity balcony. I hope you all enjoy it. Without further ado, let me not keep you waiting and let's see how this room looks like. Okay, so let's begin, of course, with the entrance to this beautiful room. We are actually located at the very front of the ship, and we are on deck number 8. This room is 8148, and we are located right where the red dot is. And I have to say that it's actually very close to the elevator, so if accessibility is something important to you, I would highly recommend that. So this is room 8148. Let me take you around. And of course, as we enter, you can see that, first of all, the arrangement of this room is when we have the sofa closer to the entrance, and the bed is a little bit further. And in my opinion, that gives you a little bit more of a spacious feeling, even though the square footage is the same as the other option. But this would be, to my opinion, more preferable if you would like to feel more space in your room. As you enter, you have your thermostat over here, which is the new smart kind, where you can adjust everything you need. So we can even set here settings, and we can choose language and temperature. Would you like to use Fahrenheit or Celsius, whatever you would like, green mode, window lock, things like that. So there's quite a few options here. And when I take you around, we have on the right side this sofa, or to be exact, is more of a sitting option. I don't think it's a sleeper because this room can accommodate two. It's not a convertible. So it is a sofa just for lounging and enjoying your room. And if I take you right across from it, we can see that we have a commode for storage, a lamp, and of course this beautiful lit up mirror with a table right next to it. And if we look further in the room, we can see the bed. The bed is right now arranged into the king size, but of course can be separated. All you have to do is, of course, ask your room attendant. Across from the bed, you have your TV, very generous size for a balcony room. And in those infinite verandas, you have the veranda right next to your bedroom. If we look from this end, you can see that the bed has two nightstands. Of course, there's one on this side. And there is one on the other side. The right side would be the one that actually has outlets next to it. So right next to the phone and lamp, we have two USB plugs, as well as one US plug if you need to charge anything. Between the bed and the sofa, we have, it's a combination of several items in one, which I do personally like. So this thing is an ottoman, a storage unit, and it's a coffee table, I guess, if you'd like to put your drink or something like that while enjoying your sofa. So if we open this, it's become basically storage, but it's movable all around the room, and you can use it as you would like. Now let me show you a feature I really like. Across from the sofa, you have this table with the armchair, which of course you can use for work or whatever you might need. But if you would like even more space in your room, let me show you what you can do. Hello friends, you can see me here. Okay, so this table, if you push it in, literally goes inside, and now all this space is an extra space for you to enjoy. So yeah, that's an option. We have, of course, the lamp here. The white portion of this cabinet will be your fridge. And in this fridge, we actually have some items inside. But just keep in mind with Celebrity, those items are for extra charge. So if you decide to use something from this fridge, be prepared for the bill. Now right next to it, we have some additional storage. Above that, we have 2 Evian bottles and potato chips. Once again, part of the room service and the private minibar, so it will be charged if you use it. And we have some storage over here. So there is the top drawer here with 2 sections. Another one slightly deeper one underneath with 2 sections again, and the same one below. Now if we look on this side, this sleek corner is basically your storage wardrobe. So let's start exploring this. If we open this door, we can actually see additional full-length mirror. Hi friends! We have 2 bathrobes that come standard with every room on Celebrity, hangers, additional hanging space underneath. This is my luggage below. And if you open the door next to it, you have some extra hanging storage space. Once again, it's my bag, so sorry for that. And underneath you have a safe. Now this safe is not big enough for laptop, but it's big enough for any personal items you might want to store, or jewelry or something like that. And of course we have 3 additional drawers below that. In addition, this beautiful corner has additional storage. So the bottom section, hi Coral, I like you being in my room. We have a few shelves here. You have an umbrella to be used during your cruise, a laundry bag, and above we have additional storage space. This white thing that you can see on the wall, this is actually a router in the room to make sure that the reception of the internet is accurate and well made all around the ship, including your room. So yeah, that is your room. And of course, let's take a look at your bathroom. So the bathroom, in my opinion, is probably one of the most spacious bathrooms to standard rooms that I came across on cruise ships. I do enjoy the decor. We have your commode here. Very nice art on the wall, some shelving on each side. A very generous space here on those countertops. It's very wide. You have of course your tissues on the other side, 3 shelves here, additional long shelf underneath all that, and on the left hand side we also have some plugs if you need to charge or to use your shaver. Now of course across from your sink we have the walk-in shower, once again very generous in size. And as we open this door, we of course have 2 hooks inside of the shower. We have the shower gel, shampoos and conditioner from Celebrity. We have a shelf for storage of your personal items if you bring. And of course, the shelf for if you need to shave. And now of course let me take you outside again through the room and show you how the balcony looks like. They call it an infinite balcony. For me personally, it's a sort of say, and I don't want to be rude, but it's a glorified window that you can open on a ship. But it's a very nice option because this balcony is part of your room during the whole cruise. So if you would like to use it just as a extension to your room, you can, and this is probably how I'm personally going to use it most of this cruise. If you would like to use it as a balcony, those doors that you can see on the side, they can be closed. Let me do that for you. Let's find how they close it. Oh, here they go. Okay, let me close one side for you so you can see. So you can close them like that, and of course the other side will close as well, and you can create a separate area between your bedroom, living room, and the balcony. But you can always, of course, keep it open, and honestly that's how I prefer it, because it makes your whole space feels bigger. Now when you want to enjoy, of course, your outdoors, and right now we're at the port, but if you want to enjoy your ocean breeze, you have here a few buttons, as you see, and with those you would open this window. So let's do that. And I'm sorry for the noise, but we are still at port in Fort Lauderdale, so you probably can hear what's going on outside. But once you open this whole area becomes basically into your balcony. Now, the nice thing that I personally really enjoy is that when we close it, you can do it both from those buttons as I just showed you, which is right here, or you can do it from your app on your phone. So if you're in your bed and you would like to open your windows, or you would like to, play with your temperature in the room, make it hotter or colder, you definitely can do that without getting up from your bed. Now, additional thing I really enjoy, and let me show you this, hopefully it's going to work on my phone. Let me open the Celebrity app. Let's see. So this is the Celebrity app. And if you see in the app, we have here an options, which says your stateroom. And when you click on your stateroom, you have an option to control your television, which is of course volume, stuff like that, menu. But you can also click on room, and in the room you would have temperature, on and off for the lights, morning, sleep, modes like that. But you also have here blinds. And when you click on the blinds, and I know that probably on the camera you can see it clearly, but right now it says open, but you can actually click on close and look what's going to happen. So once I just clicked it, your blinds in your room are about to close. And I do enjoy the fact that those are going basically side to side across the width of your room, making it totally pitch dark. It's great for all those of us who need the darkness in order to make a good night's sleep. But yeah, this is something you can do. Now, imagine when you guys wake up in the morning and you don't want to get up of your bed, but you still would like to have some, light in your room, and just to have this snuggling morning in the sea. That's what you do. You go to this app again and you click on open, and voila, we have the curtain about to be opened up for you. So yeah, I know quite a few who enjoy and quite a few who do not enjoy those balconies. It's a very controversial concept of balconies on a cruise ship, but I personally can find both positive and negatives to that, and I'm very excited for the next 7 nights. And let me take you, of course, through last look around the room. Well, my friends, this is it. That's the room. I still really enjoy those rooms. Back again to this beautiful ship, and I still really like those rooms. The balcony, of course, by itself, it's a little bit controversial. Some like those balconies, some do not, but there is a taste for everything. That being said, of course, if you have any questions, comments, anything, you're more than welcome to that below. Do not forget to subscribe, because I would like to keep doing what I like to do most. And until next time, I'm your Haj.